Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec 2-bike vertical storage rack. Before I get into today's product review, if you guys like these videos, do me a huge favor and make sure you hit that subscribe button so be sure to catch this as well as all of our latest product reviews and plenty more. The 2-bike vertical storage rack is the perfect companion to the rest of our Quadratec bike rack lineup, and it's the convenient and easy solution for storing your bikes once you get home and get them unloaded from your Jeep. As you can see, the 2-bike vertical storage rack is a freestanding rack, and because it stacks your bikes on top of each other, it's the perfect solution for storing your bikes in tight spaces, whether that be in your garage, shed, your basement, or maybe even an apartment or other rental property where you don't want to worry about damaging the walls mounting something. The 2-bike vertical storage rack is also the perfect space to complete maintenance on your bikes because it does hold your bikes in a perfectly level horizontal position, and you can easily move it around to wherever you like to complete maintenance on your bikes. The 2-bike vertical storage rack has a capacity of 130 pounds, and the 2 cradles automatically adjust to hold your bikes in a perfectly level position with adjustable hooks as well that should accommodate just about any bikes found on the market today. Each of those cradles, as I mentioned, will automatically adjust to your bike's center of gravity to store it perfectly level. The hooks are also both adjustable, and they do feature a thick rubber coating to prevent any possible damage to your bike's finish. The Quadratec 2-bike vertical storage rack assembles quickly and easily. In fact, I bet most of you can have it put together in under 10 minutes flat from start to finish. We even include the Allen key and wrench you need to get it assembled, and all it requires is simply mounting the 2 feet to the vertical pole, and then each of the cradles to the vertical poles, and finally mounting the upper vertical pole to the lower half. As you can see, it is made from a heavy-duty steel, and it's finished in a lightly textured black powder coat that not only looks great, but it's going to keep your rack in perfect condition for many years to come. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Quadratec 2-bike vertical storage rack to keep your bikes neatly stored away when you're not using them, you can click that info button and head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the 2-bike vertical storage rack or how to get it assembled, you can always leave this for us down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.